We are all born free and equal, says the very first human right. But are we? Imagine, you have secured admission to your dream college. Fees paid, books purchased, but you cannot access the classroom, as you are on a wheelchair and there is a staircase. Or gauge this. You wish to order food or shop online, or need to book a cab using an app. But none of these digital platforms are accessible to you. In such instances, you would want to shout out loud, "Enable me access." In India, almost 70 million such people are deprived of access to basic necessities. Accessibility means designing products, gadgets, services, or environments in such a way that disabled people can consume them at par with others. What goes hand in hand with accessibility is inclusion. What if there was a ramp but the college did not allow students with disabilities? Or there were accessible apps but the service providers did not cater to disabled customers? Inclusive spaces are those that are open to all diverse identities, including people with disabilities. It was in 2016 that Peter Gibson realized this need of changing society's approach towards these concepts. Having extensive experience in infrastructural accessibility and having traveled with his wife who uses a wheelchair, Peter gained first-hand understanding of the accessibility-related challenges. Eventually in this journey, he met Prachi Chaturvedi and Maitreya Shah. Prachi, a digital accessibility expert, specializes in making websites and web content accessible and has over a decade of experience. On the other hand, Maitreya, a lawyer, overcoming the challenges of his blindness, works in areas of inclusive education, access to justice, and intersectionality. It was in June 2020 that the team of three registered Enable Me Access Association as a Section 8 company.
Since my wife became disabled, I realized traveling around that accessibility was a really big issue, and the barriers to moving around and moving in normal locations for people with disabilities was a really big problem. What came down to it was that basically a lack of awareness, because people were ready to help and able to help, but they didn't have the awareness to know how to go about it.
Enable Me Access's vision is to work for the empowerment, betterment, and equality of persons with disabilities, while the only mission is accessibility and inclusion for all. EMA is currently active with 4 umbrella work areas, namely infrastructural accessibility, to guide architects, engineers, and designers for constructing universally accessible designs. Digital accessibility, to provide technology for making digital content accessible. Disability activism, to promote human rights, inclusive education, and humanitarian aid, and also advocate the same with governments and private players. And intersectionality, to work for educational, employment, legal, sexual, reproductive rights of women with disabilities who face dual marginalization.
At EMA, we try to deliver solutions to all your accessibility needs, starting from why and how. We develop solutions that are based not only on the guidelines but on the end user. And why EMA is different from other organizations is because we want to normalize accessibility not only for people with disabilities but for everyone in general.
EMA's immediate plan is to develop India's first repository of videos on understanding infrastructural accessibility.
We are not a conventional charity-based organization. We believe in empowering people through state accountability, advocacy, and social development. And we are looking for partners in this journey to help people realize their rights.
In the quest of having infrastructure where staircases don't hamper dreams, or having digital resources that everyone can access, Team Enable Me Access is pouring out their time, money, and resources along with their heart, mind, and soul. But a team of 3 passionate individuals will never be enough. Therefore, when millions of people with disabilities shout out, "Enable Me Access" for their basic rights to live, Team EMA shouts out to you for your support. Enable their fight towards accessibility and inclusion by lending your share of time, money, or resources. And anyway, no one has ever become poor by giving. Enable Me Access.